y'all, it's me Armani, and I'm back with another YouTube video. This week it is Vlogtober. Dang, we're already on Vlogtober 3. Like we're already on Vlogtober 3, which is really crazy because October has just been moving by so fast. But it is currently Tuesday, October 14th. It is 11:40 a.m. As you guys just seen, I just made up my bed because I'm trying to get into a habit of making up my bed every day, no matter what time I get up. I actually got up at 8 o'clock, but I was extremely too tired to stay up, so I definitely went back to sleep. I woke up at 11 something, but yeah, this is me off the wake up. Like, I'm still a little tired, but I need to do a couple. I have a to-do list I need to do today, so I was like, let me just take y'all with me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna write my to-do list on that board, but I don't really have that much. So basically, here's the to-do list, y'all. So today, number 1, take out the trash. Number 2, vacuum my floor because it just looks like it needs to get vacuumed. Number 3, wash my hair. Number 4, I need to do Bible study, do all that good stuff. I think I'm gonna do that after I take out the trash. Number 5, I need to, did I say wash my hair? I think I said wash my hair with it. I do have an event to go to today, which I will be taking you guys along with me as well. As you guys know, it is October. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So at this local recreation center that I live near, one of my old leaders, because I used to go to that rec when I was little, one of my old leaders is hosting a little breast cancer walk. So it starts at 6 o'clock. They're gonna have games, icebreaker, stuff like that. So we're just gonna go show our support and have a good time. I need to make sure I'm wearing my pink. I might put a little bow on the side of my face, like a breast cancer sign on the side of my face with some paint, but we will see. That starts at 6. I'm not really worried about that. I'll start probably getting ready for that. I don't know, because I need to wash my hair. So when I wash my hair, after I wash my hair, then I want my hair to be done for the thing. So I think I might do a cute little wash and go. I might do the same hairstyle I have now. It's just my hair's gonna be wet, if that makes sense. So yeah. Other than that, I don't really have anything else to do today. I'm off for the next 2 days, so y'all gonna be seeing my face more. So yeah, let's do what we need to do. I'm gonna gather this trash and stuff to take downstairs, and then I'm also gonna check if it's wet outside, because if it's wet outside, then I'm not gonna do Bible study outside. But if it's not wet outside, we're gonna be doing Bible study today outside. So we love that. And yeah, let me go take this trash out, and I'll be right back to y'all. Best coffee
It don't matter.
My grandma drinks this coffee, guys. Me personally, I drink Dunkin', but I want to set up my coffee maker, so I'm not really tripping on the coffee right now until I know, like, yeah. So I just need one coffee pot and my grandma. Oh, they got stuff over here too. Look, they got they got pumpkin. I don't like nothing but pumpkin though. I don't know, like, pumpkin is just disgusting to me. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the house, because I still gotta do Bible study. So yeah. Hey y'all, it is 5:21. I definitely took a nap. I definitely did, because I was tired. Like, I don't know why. Like, I don't know. I just needed a nap, so I ended up taking a nap. Right now I am currently getting ready for the breast cancer event that I'm going to. So I'm putting on my gloves because my hair is still kind of in its like fading out stage. So I'm not trying to get the dye all over my hands. I have about 30 minutes to get ready, so I'm trying to hurry up. Most of my hair is done, then that's pretty much the hard tasks for me. It's just doing my hair. My hair takes the longest time, so I don't really have nothing that's pink besides my shoes and a cute little sweater. So I'm thinking about just wearing those two, but let's get this hair done. We just gonna do the same style, half up, half down. I think I'm going to do the curly pieces at the bottom last because I don't want them to dry or whatever that fast. So, because I'm gonna wet that part of my hair, and that part's gonna be like curly, like really, really curly. So, I ran out of my curling cream, so I need to get some curling cream because not having curling cream is crazy when I have naturally curly hair. But we're about to grab 2 new hair ties so we can make sure my hair is nice and tied up. But I'm just gonna do a montage because I'm trying to listen to some music while I get ready. That kind of helps me like lock in to music. So we about to just keep these pieces out on the side. Comb that down. But y'all just about to see me do my hair in a quick in a hurry because I do need to hurry up. We're trying to leave like 5:45. We live pretty close, but still want to be there on time. Don't want to be late. So let's do my hair. So I'm gonna do montage so I can start. I just got finished blow drying my hair. I was gonna show y'all me washing my hair, blow drying it, but y'all, it was just too much. Like, my hair definitely needed to get washed, and I'm so glad it's finally washed and blow dry, because only God knows how long I've washed my hair since I took my hair out. But it is Thursday, October 16th. It is 3:25 p.m. Yeah, I don't really have any plans today. I was supposed to go to work, but y'all, unfortunately, some sad stuff happened. My great grandfather passed away yesterday, so I just couldn't go in today. I just needed to be at home and just gather my thoughts, because it has been a lot. This year has been difficult. I have been losing people back to back to back, and I'm not gonna lie, yeah, but I realized that I can't let, like, yeah, I'm okay, yeah, I get to feel a way, but I can't let that bring me down. I know the people that are in heaven want to see me do good, want to see me keep showing up for myself, so that's what we're going to do. This Vlogtober, I don't even know. Yeah, but tomorrow I do work, Saturday I do work, but Saturday I get off early, so we're gonna see what I do. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in because I know I haven't shown my face in a little bit. So yeah, my hair is done. I'm excited about that. What else? I'm about to study for my drivers. I took my test on Monday, so fingers crossed. But yeah, this is my hair, y'all. She's looking so full. Color's still looking good, so. But yeah, right now I'm probably about to clean up. I need to put my camera on the charger because she's on 18%. I need to vacuum my floor. Look, y'all, I have it making in my bed like every single day. It just makes my room feel so nice. But y'all, look, I didn't even show y'all. I did show y'all me unboxing this, but my best friend got me a coffee maker. It is so cute. She is so cute. We love pink. It just ties this whole. This isn't supposed to be right here. I was just using my computer to study, but that basically ties my whole thing up. When it's nighttime and that lights up and everything just light up, it looks amazing. Like, when I tell y'all, amazing, amazing. So thank you, Bestie, for the coffee maker. I'm eating the Starburst, but I'm about to go downstairs and warm up my food that Alexis got me yesterday. Y'all, Alexis is a doll, bro. I told her what was going on because I went to my great grandmother's house. She pulled up on me, got me some food. We talked for a little bit. I cried. Because, baby, one thing about Armani's going to cry. Period. I cried, fed me, had me talk a little bit, and then I came home and I needed to cry again. I cried. I definitely cried yesterday. But yeah. So I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm doing something else. I'm just about to warm up some food because I haven't ate all day. And I need to eat. So yeah. About to go warm up my food.
Hold up, guys. I low-key gotta take a picture. Miracle, walk faster real quick.
Look at the view, y'all. This is why I love fall. Like, fall is forever gonna be my favorite season.
Miracle's ruining the aesthetic.
It's okay. She bright. Look at my cousin, bro. With her bright jacket on. She outweighs all the trees. I wish they didn't have that like section where the thing is, because no, actually, come on, y'all, we about to go to the creek. Come on.
A hot mess.
But we about to walk to this creek because I low-key just want to sit down there and just look at the water. I don't even know if you can get down there no more though.
Oh, I know a way.
I bet.
I've been going on adventures.
Toba slide.
If you realize, if you haven't noticed yet, I'm never home.
You're. It's a deer. And it's one right there too. The creek, guys. Look at the view. Just chilling.
I hit it.
Of course, I would hit it too if I was right up on it. Oh my.
Now I'm trying to go big.
It is currently dang, my throat dry. It's Sunday, October 19th. Y'all saw me fix my hair a little bit, but y'all, I couldn't finish showing y'all the rest because I was in a rush. Like, I was in a rush. And it's Sunday, so y'all know that means it's Bible study day. Today I am hosting Bible study today. Am I nervous? Absolutely yes. This is my first time hosting in this group. We've been doing this group for a while now, so I'm kind of comfortable with the people, but if you know me, you know I'm not really a talker like that. Like, I'm really, really quiet. I say to myself. So we're about to see where this takes us. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm hot. So I'm just turning my... Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I am so sorry, y'all. It lost track. But yeah, so I'm a little hot. I just finished eating. Well, I just started eating. Bible study starts at 9:15 for me, because everyone is in a different time zone. So Bible study starts for me at 9 o'clock, well, 9:15. And I'm just doing the last little minute things I have to do before it's time to start. This is like a check-in before Bible study, and then we're gonna come back after I'm done with Bible study, and I'm gonna tell y'all how it went. So here's my dinner. I just have some lasagna, and then that's what I got from Walmart yesterday. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when Bible study is done with to tell y'all how it goes. I'm a little nervous. So yeah. All right, y'all. It is 10:35, and I just finished. Well, we've been finished Bible study like 10 minutes ago, but I was just on the phone real quick. But y'all, Bible study went amazing. Like, I really love my girls, y'all. Like, they really helped me. It was very, very easy. It was very smooth. I wasn't nervous at all. I felt like I had everything prepared, so that was good. Yeah, I don't really have no complaints about Bible study because Bible study was good. Like, That was a good Bible study. I really need that because I feel like I'm going through isolation right now, and that's just, and there's nothing wrong with isolation, y'all, but I'm going to start saying isolation instead of ghosting, because ghosting is just I'm gonna start using isolation. But yeah, I don't really have much to say anymore. I need to edit this video so this video can get posted tomorrow. But y'all, I think next week is the last week of Vlogtober. And I'm like, I don't know how I want to do this, y'all, only because I work on Halloween, but then again, I'm not celebrating Halloween. So, but I also kind of want to go get candy and just come in my room and just chill. But then again, my church is also having something, so maybe I can go to an event at my church. Maybe I gotta look up on that. Let's actually look at that, because if they're doing something for on church for Halloween, that would be fun to go to. But yeah. Okay, so the church event is from 6:30 to 9:30. Sorry, I'm reading the description they have right now. But we might, I don't know yet. Depending on my schedule, we will see. Because, oh wait, I can't even go because I work on Halloween. It's from 6:30 to 9:30, and I literally get off of work at 9 something. So that's probably a no. But we'll see something. So I don't know. I might have. So what I might do is, y'all know I normally post on Mondays at 6 o'clock. For the last week of October, well, not the last week, but from the 20th to like the 31st, I might just be vlogging, because I don't want to do 5 weeks of, I don't want to do 5 videos of Vlogtober. I feel like that's just too much. So I think I'm just gonna combine 2 weeks worth of footage in 1 week. So instead of me posting on the 27th, I might just post on Halloween. It might be really late on Halloween, but it might be something, or November 1st, depending on which day. But I'm going to get all the Halloween and fall stuff. Well, not fall stuff because it's still fall, but all the Halloween stuff out of the way. And then we'll go into November with the clear mind, clear spirit. November is going to be, I don't really know. I don't really have any videos planned for November yet, which is absolutely terrible. But, yeah. So we're going to see what I can do, because yeah. But that's it for this video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch y'all on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh wait, also, okay, right now we are at, hold on. Right now, we are at 481 subscribers. We are literally so close to 500, y'all. Like, I can feel it. Like, we need, let's get my calculator. Oh, I forgot to spell on my face. 500 minus 481. We need 19 subscribers to get to 500. If you guys did not know, once we hit 500 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway. I have been talking about this for, well, I haven't really said anything because, yeah, but this is literally I'm doing this because this is just my way of giving back to you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. The comments, the likes, just watching my videos really, really mean the world to me. Y'all don't even understand how long I have been doing YouTube. Like, I had a channel, and then I lost that channel and had to literally start all over again. So the simple fact that I passed my old channel and I'm still thriving to this day it's God, man. It's really God. But I just want to give you guys a thank you, and this is my appreciation to you guys for showing up and showing me endless support. Yes, so once I hit 500 subscribers, I will, when we get closer to the goal, I will post more things on Instagram. So make sure you're following my Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here. And I'm also going to be posting on community tabs, just so you know, everyone. Make sure you follow my Instagram for more details. I'm gonna put it on the screen, and I'm gonna also put it in it's always in my description box down below. But yeah, it's very easy to get into the giveaway, to enter, but all that will be dropped and posted when we are just a little closer. Maybe when we hit like 490, that's when I'll start posting more stuff relating to that, doing a countdown. Like, it's really about to be, we're really about to be at 500 subscribers. That is so huge to me. Like, thank you guys so much. Like, I love you guys, every single one of you guys who comments, likes. I just love all you guys. Thank you so much. May God bless y'all. Thank you. But that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy your night, day, morning, whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.